Welcome Luna Classic Coin. 3.78% price increase. Luna increased today, this Saturday, this weekend is amazing. I'm happy to see that Luna actually increased this weekend because yesterday Luna was actually dropping so massively. But at least with today's price increasing, Luna Classic have actually recovered some of the money that has been pulled out of Terra Classic, which is cool. Now, one thing I love talking about this money aspect is because that Luna need huge market cap, which is definitely one of the most important things than the burning aspect of it. Because I want to see more money being circulating of money in Terra Classic on a daily basis. The more money is being circulated on Terra Classic, the more burning we are going to burn. You know why? Because buying, selling, once this is going on, then our 1.2% tax bond will definitely be active. Okay, this month we are going to burn more coin than last month. Last month we burned more coin than the last 2 months, and I believe next month definitely is going to be higher. So I'm happy. Over $22 million already has been been invested back into Terra Classic within the past 24 hours. You know, one thing about the crypto industry is that once a particular coin is on red, once there's just a little signal of red, people will start selling out. Then let that coin within the next few hours start trading on green. Let them see a bull run. People will massively come back. Even though they're just sold out, few hours might still want to buy back immediately. That is trading. Okay, so yesterday we saw millions were being pulled out. Today, triple of that has been invested back into Terra Classic. So I'm happy, but the fact remains, this up and down we have been experiencing for months needs to stop, because whenever it seems as if Terra Classic is going to continue pumping, the next week you see Terra Classic dropping back to where it started. The upper week, you see Terra Classic pumping once again. So this is what has been going on with Terra Classic for the past months. So this need to stop. Terra Classic need to take a proper action, a proper management of Terra Classic to see that the coin rises, the coin pumps, the coin increases in price. So I believe that once the market is clear, once we keep on trading, buying Terra Classic will keep on rising. But for now, there are still some coins that I love. When you mentioned BitTorrent, this one of BitTorrent new, then I think another coin I want to talk about is fake token, the new fake token, not the old one. Now, Feed Every Gorilla. These coins are also going to pump in the nearest future. So apart from Terra Classic, you still need to buy and hold BitTorrent new, then also try to hold fake token Feed Every Gorilla, because the new one, because I see a potential rise in the next few months. These coins are going to pump. Also try to buy Coin. Okay, also try to add Coin to your collection of coins that you are staking, or you are investing, or you are buying, you are storing Coin. And then lastly, eCash coin also the past few weeks has been pumping, has been rising. People have actually earned over 200 to 300%. Those have been trading the coin have earned over 300% or 400% of their trading capital. That is for eCash. So most coins now are actually doing well. So we need to really focus on some coins that you want to invest. For me, I think that these coins I just mentioned are good. So if you want to invest this coin, buy a few of these coins, keep them, store them. You might not tell what will happen. So let's keep hoping for the best, and I believe that within the next few years, we are going to see Terra Classic, we are going to see Coin, we are going to see eCash, we are going to see Feed Every Gorilla, we are going to see even Tectonic. Yes, I didn't mention Tectonic. Tectonic also is one of the coins you also buy and invest. You should invest a little amount on Tectonic. So if you have these coins and Shiba Doge also, yes, you see, I didn't remember all these 2 coins. So these coins, buy and store these coins. You might not know what will happen, but remember, this is not a financial advice. So please, once again, thank you for stopping by.